Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My Kenzie, and today we're doing a volcano. Let's open it up. But before I open it up, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's open it up. This is everything that came in the kit. These are the volcano molds. Now we have to put the flat pieces in here. So when you're done putting it together, you need the rubber band so you can hold it. And it should look like this. And now you just set this to the side. And then you make your pasta. So you pour a little bit of this in, and then pour. You keep doing it like a pattern. When all the powder is in and it's all sewed, it should look like this. Put a plaster into the mold. Once it's poured the mold, it should look like this. Let it sit for 45 minutes in the mold like this. Okay, we will be back in 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. Now it's time to take it out of the mold. But be very, very, very careful. Well, it looks good, but it's stuck in there. This is our volcano. And we are doing one day, and then we can paint it. It's all dry. Now we can paint it. It's all painted. Now it's time to make it erupt. Now you have to take your erupt powder and then 2 scoops of each and put it in your volcano. Here's powder number 1. Let's pour it in. Powder number 2. Slowly pour water into the hole of your volcano. Carefully and slowly. Can I touch it? Let's try to make a bigger eruption. Add 1 scoop of baking soda. Add white vinegar slowly. Enough? Okay, that's enough. Oh. I really want to touch it. That was super cool and fun. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.